SolanaDAO announces a test token airdrop ahead of the launch of this governance token. Don't miss your chance to grab a piece of pie. Watch the video until the end, as a nice bonus waits you in your wallet. SolanaDAO today is the first step toward full ecosystem governance, and you can be among those who test the system from the very start. Governance Token is a tool that will allow holders to participate in making key decisions on the development of the SolanaDAO. With it, the community will be able to vote on updates, new features, and resource allocation. And right now, a test airdrop is taking place, so you can be the first to try out the mechanics of the future token. The conditions are simple. Prepare a Solana wallet, Phantom or Solflare. Fill out the form to participate in the test airdrop. Enter your first and last name, date of birth, your real email address, and active Solana wallet. The final third step will be the hardest one waiting, but don't worry, it usually takes no more than 2 hours. The system needs to verify your data for duplicates. Governance tokens have already proven their value in projects like Uniswap and OAuth. Holders truly influence the development of the ecosystem and receive rewards for their activity. SolanaDAO is taking its step in this direction, and the test airdrop is your chance to be among the pioneers. And here's the promised bonus: credited glances at laptop and then back to the camera with a smile. Hurry up, because you're not watching a live stream, but a recorded video on YouTube. To be among the first participants, subscribe to SolanaDAO's official channel. Fill out the form and have your wallet ready. Links are below the video. The first token pool will go to the fastest. Today marks an important milestone as SolanaDAO ushers in the future of blockchain governance. The Governance Token Test Airdrop gives you the opportunity to join this new era.